Here's how you can catch a scammer in Animal Company. First, you need to find an actual scammer. Wait. First, you gotta find someone that wants to trade. Next, you need to see. Oh my god.
You need to leave!
Okay. And also make sure that they ask you to trade. Third, say that you're gonna give them like a landmine bag or a snowball bag, and then put nothing in there. So when they ask you to come out of safe zone, or if they ask you to like trade, then just double check, triple check if there's nothing in there. And that's how you can catch a scammer in Animal Company!